Welcome back. Live for Wild here. Check it out. Just like Kotaboy would say. We had a great time at Farmageddon and Silent Bob's gun. One of these days we're going to get him to talk on video. But anyways, a lot of you guys, my Farmageddonians, know Silent Bob. This is his pistol build. I never thought I would buy or build a pistol until I checked out Kotaboy32's channel. And then Silent Bob built this. We watched a lot of videos. This thing is wicked accurate. You could drop them in at 100 yards just like we're shooting steel. I got video, I'll put videotape. We shot at least, we're pushing upwards of 1,000 rounds is by what I'm figuring, is what my guess is. And it ain't been cleaned yet. Look how dirty this thing is. This thing, a lot of people, we kept handing this off to people. Got a little bit of a blister. It's just healing up now. So we ran this thing. I got video of Pop's Quest with a welding glove on shooting this thing. We were running it hot. We rolled it rolled it hard and put it away wet, because or drive it like we stole it. Oh man, this thing was like a Grand Theft Auto the way we were running this thing. But anyways, just like TR Prepper said on the chat, that ain't no pistol, it's a mini freaking bazooka. I'll see if I got a clip of that. That was we had so much fun. But anyways, we'll put this on the table, we'll go over it, and if you're thinking about a pistol, this is what you should build. This thing is a perfect truck gun, shoots well, it is a blast to shoot. I will be building one now. So let's bring it to the tabletop and we'll go from back to front, just like, or front to back, or I don't know. Check it out. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Wicked. Alright, this thing out. Check it out. From the back to the front. Right, Kotaboy? Thornston cheek rest. Damaged Industries lower parts kit. BCM Mod 3 charging handle. Fail Zero bolt and trigger group. Look how dirty that thing is, but it looks like she's going to clean up real nice. Magpul M-Bus sights, front and back, front to the back. A Ruger lower, Bushnell TRS 25. I'm really liking this for the money. It's hard to beat. I've seen them for, I think at Midway, right around $100. I've seen them on sale for 85 sometimes. And this is a MAS, they call it MAS Defense upper. This is a 10.5-inch upper, or a 223 upper. And then it's got this can on here. That's what gives you that big old bazooka sound. Midwest Industry hand stop, so you don't blow your hand off there. But this thing is sweet. Just do a flyby. So can't go wrong. You watch MAS Defense, they have some sales all the time. This thing is a shooter. It's probably the best pistol, AR pistol I've shot so far. So, and she'll run. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out Kotaboy32, TR Prepper. A lot of great guys there, so we had a riot. So thanks for watching.
That's nice. That little pitch is accurate.
Yeah.
I like
Not bad for that little bush now.
That is nice.
Yeah. That got the pig on it, the Noveski pig.